The 5 biggest construction machines. The last one will shock you. Number 5. The American Loader, the Tourneau. L2350 holds the record for the world's biggest loader. Each wheel is independently propelled by its own electric motor. Weight, 265 tons, 2 whales. Price, $1.5 million. Number 4. A grader. It could have helped build one of the world's most impressive constructions. It was dismantled a few years ago to salvage spare parts. Power, 1,000 horsepower at the front, 700 at the rear. Its price, $400,000. Number 3. The biggest construction truck, the Balaz 75710 dump truck. A mastodon of construction machinery, it pushes back previously known limits, and its features are impressive. It has been at Balaz, a coal mine in Siberia, since 2014. Load capacity, 450 tons, an A380. Its price, $7 million. Number 2. The Liebherr crane. The Liebherr 357 HCL is currently being used for the construction of the Jeddah Tower, which will be the first to exceed 1 kilometer in height. There was no crane large enough for the project, so this is a custom-built crane. The price tag, $10 million. Number 1. The Bagger 293 excavator. It weighs over 15,000 tons, equivalent to 25 Airbus A380s. It's the heaviest field vehicle in the world, and therefore the biggest construction machine in existence today. What's more, this excavator operates with 20 buckets on a 20-meter diameter bucket wheel. Price, $15 million.